Whoa. That's a way too much, guys. This is a real snowstorm in upstate New York. It's wild. Tons of snow. I wanna take a walk in this crazy freaking cold winter with a bunch of snow. Let's go. I feel like I didn't wear that much. I better to go back to my dorm. Otherwise, I'll be suffering in the cold. Oh, finally. Too much snow. I can't believe. However, no matter what, we are going to the swimming pool at 3 p.m. today. They are not allowed to be on top. Very sad.
Yeah, at least they said they were sorry.
Yeah, that's okay.
I knew they were gonna get injured. Wait, guys, did you go over that big hill and roll down the snow?
I almost there for the Winterstorm Support Center. This weather to swim in the pool, I think it's amazing. Look at how cold it's outside, but inside is very warm, so we don't need to worry about it. Let's do the volleyball. Let's do it.
What?
3, 2, 1. Look at who is here. Leo,
Hello.
Joe,
Hi.
and Wei. We are going to the water. Let's go. Let's go. You ready?
I also need to. This thing's way too low.
Ouch.
Oh, yeah, I saw it.
You ready?
Okay, I'll do it. 1, 2, 3,
Jump.
4. So I guess we'll do live. I'll pass it
To
way.
yes.
You're gonna need to.
Pass it to.
Alright. I'm
Oh.
gonna throw it.
All right. I got fun. Let's do it. Let's do it.
One more for us. Alright, good. I'll put the way.
Okay. Thank you so much, Leo. Leo, ready? Let's go! Right. Right there. Come on. Welcome back, Mallow. Good to see you. Let's do it. Jump! Haha!
I thought you were going to say dive, right?
Haha!
I'm scared.
Let's do it! It's jump or dive. Dive! You win this time.
Yes.
One more time. You ready? Jump! You win. Ooh. What? Alright, Leo is here. I'm here. And we're gonna catch marlow. Let's catch marlow. Alright. Let me know when you're ready. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Look! Look at the snow. Never stop. Wow. Isn't that great? Yeah.
You don't have a hood though.
I don't even need a hood.